Hi folks, it's Adam in Clarkson Cavan Cycle Centre. We are launching something new here in terms of an online booking service where you can book your bike in for its service online through our website. So to celebrate this, we are going to launch it with a 10% discount which can be utilised via a coupon code CYCLE10 on our website while booking your bike in. It's as simple as go online and put in your details, select which service you would like, and you will get a confirmation and the guys will get your bike fully tuned up, serviced, whatever work is required done. So as I say, use away at that coupon CYCLE10 and get 10% off your service. Great time, January, get the bike ready to go for the season ahead.